The M16 14 SFG designed by Kit Carson has a high-carbon stainless steel blade with a non-reflective black titanium nitride finish. The 3.875-inch dual-grind blade has a Tonto tip which is excellent for penetration and exclusive patented VEF serrations which offer exceptional cutting of fibrous materials. The G10 handles form an open-build frame which is easy to clean and built to sustain heavy use. It also has a stainless steel locking liner which, when used with our auto-lock safety, automatically turns the folder into a virtual fixed blade. The auto-lock safety mechanism features easy one-handed closing. For convenient carry, the knife has a 4-position clip. The Carson flipper enables a smooth, fast, one-handed deployment, and the dual hilt acts as a blade guard. The Special Forces G10 models have been specifically designed with features requested by military procurement specialists.
Smith & Wesson SWA-24S is a tactical folding knife designed for the rigors of EDC carry. Perfect for constant use. The 3.1-inch serrated 7CR17 high-carbon stainless steel clip-point blade excels at slicing through just about any material. The black aluminum handle has strategically placed jimping and finger cutouts for a secure grip. Open the blade by way of the ambidextrous thumb knobs and the index flipper. This is the Smith & Wesson SWA-24S Extreme Ops Liner Lock Folding Knife, a quality tool designed for your most demanding needs.
So let me show you the 110 Folding Hunter. It comes in 2 different styles, basic or finger groove. The handle material is Macassar ebony diamond wood. It's real wood that's been infused with resin. Lockback design for safety. The brass bolster is beveled for ergonomic comfort. The 420HC stainless steel clip point blade is 3 3/4 inches long and 120 thousandths of an inch thick. The knife weighs 7.2 ounces and is made in the USA. The Buck 110 Folding Hunter is a classic, the '57 Chevy of knives. We honor our dedication to quality and function by covering each and every one of our products with our forever warranty. What does the forever warranty mean? It means that we expect each and every buck knife to be free of defects in material or workmanship for the life of the knife. Any buck knife that fails or is defective will be repaired or replaced with a new buck knife, free of charge.
The Teancious is the flagship of Spyderco's incredibly popular Value Folder series of knives. It proudly offers all the features and benefits that define a Spyderco Clip-It in an extremely affordable format. The heart of the design is its full flat ground blade, which is crafted from 8CR13 MOV stainless steel and includes a fully accessible trademark round hole for swift, ambidextrous, one-handed opening. The blade is paired with an ergonomic handle constructed with full skeletonized stainless steel liners and peel-ply textured G10 scales. The skeletonized liners provide the foundation for its sturdy liner lock mechanism and also anchor its versatile 4-position pocket clip. In its standard configuration, the Teancious sports a satin-finished blade and polished handle hardware. For tactical applications, it is also available with a black oxide blade coating and matching black-coated hardware. Both the satin and black blades are available in plain edge or combination edge, and the satin blade comes in a fully serrated
Bye.